There was something different about this girl. The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. As she stepped through, I could feel the warmth of her presence. Every hand turned the she lost. The girl was respectful, the girl I couldn't trust. The girl was bad. The girl was dangerous. She came at me in sections with the eyes of desire. I felt trapped, a touch, a kiss, a whisper of love. I was out of no returns, deep in the dark, dark passions inside. I will take it, thus to receive humanity. This girl I could trust. The girl was bad. The girl was dangerous. You've been hit by, you've been struck by a smooth.
You know you want me.
Dangerous. Dangerous.